Holy fucking kiwi shitballs. So what was once on the floor is now on the wall. It's 8:30. Fucking ass kicker, man. But I mean, I guess just the fact that it's just the security hangers, man. It just takes, you know, to really get it to where it's perfect. Like, I mean, not perfect. It's like within a 32nd of an inch, the gaps. But it's a huge process, man, you know? Like knowing, just developing the skill set over time to be able to make stuff like this happen. It's really exciting. So anyway, this is done. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come in. I gotta clean all that because it's such a fucking mess. It's got like fingerprints all over it. I'm gonna spray each one of the glass, clean it, and then this wall is next. This wall, it's gonna go up and then over here, stop. And I'm probably gonna be, I don't know, probably like 8 hours over on my estimate for time, but which is no big deal. That little top strip going all the way across, that's gonna be like 10 or 11 pieces. So that's what I'll, you know, that's where I'm gonna be over. You know, it's just tough to, I mean, of course I'm not worried. I did the job, you know, at my rate, 90 bucks an hour. So it's good stuff, man. Such a cool fucking process to be able to do this. All right, Jeff, shut the fuck up.